Hello class! Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Alan Shane at your service. So, I would like to welcome you all in my video tutorial about activities in business organizations. But before that, I want to ask for your help to please subscribe my YouTube channel in order for you to be updated for the next videos. So now, let's start our topic for today. Our topic for today is all about activities in business organizations. So, business organizations have three activities. What are those? First is financing activities. Second, investing activities. And third, operating activities. When we say financing activities, so it is an organization's require for financial resources. But before that, why do we study activities in business organizations? Because accounting provides important information to make these decisions. And these decisions are made in business organizations. That is why we have to study these activities in business organizations. So in these financing activities, it is an organizations or it is organizations that require financial resources. From the word itself, financial, so talks about money to obtain other resources used to produce goods and services. These financing activities are the methods an organization uses to what? To obtain. To obtain what? To obtain financial resources. To obtain financial resources from where? Pwede from the financial markets, and then also it manages these resources afterwards. So after obtaining financial resources, these resources will be managed afterwards. Then we have these primary sources of financing. What are those? So most businesses has a primary sources or get their resources in financing through the owners and the creditors. So, kung owners, it is an equity financing, and creditors, it is a debt financing. So, sa creditors, pwede such as banks and suppliers. Repaying the creditors and paying a return to the owners are also financing activities. Next is we have this investing activities. Managers use capital from financing activities to acquire. So those capital or those financial resources coming from the financial activities will be used in these investing activities to acquire other resources or to purchase other resources used in the transformation process. Then, it will transform resources from one form to a different form, which is more valuable to meet the needs of the people. Because, diba, in the businesses, hindi lang financial resources ang kailangan ng isang business, but also other resources that are more valuable, like what? In investing, it includes buying of land. So, di ba? Aside from financial, we will also need land, buildings, equipment, and other resources needed. So, kani siya, the activities include in buying of these three or more, depende sa business organization that will become more valuable. So, it includes in investing activities. Having the right mix of resources is very essential to efficient and effective operation. So, having this investing activities, it will help to become effective and efficient in operations. When we say the operation is efficient, it is when it provides goods and services at low cost and relative to their selling prices. So, we can say that business is efficient when it provides goods and services at a low cost. And we can also say that it's effective when the business is one that is successful in providing the goods and services demanded by the customers. So, successful in providing goods or services. So, dapat the business should be both effective and as well as efficient. You can provide the goods and services demanded by the customers and at the same time at a lower cost relative to the selling prices. Okay, so that's about investing activities. Now, let's talk about operating activities. Operating activities involve the use of resources to design, produce, distribute, and market goods and services. In these operating activities, it also includes purchasing. So, acquiring or purchasing, the production of goods. So, kasali dito sa operating. The distribution of goods. So, and also marketing. So, kapag sinasabi natin marketing, purchasing, production, distribution, these activities are considered as operating activities. And also, they compete in product markets to sell the goods and services created by operating activities. So, those are the activities and business organizations. The financing activities, investing activities, and operating activities. So, that's it for our video for today. So, hope you learned something and see you to our next YouTube tutorial. Thank you, class!